Those who have been following my series chronicling the history of Britain's railways will have noticed it is rapidly approaching the present day. Many have asked, both in the comments and in real life, what I plan to do when it's over. I have plenty of ideas which I will go over with you now. First of all, I do not plan to leave railways behind entirely. I plan to do special episodes intermittently, covering topics I couldn't cover in the main series. I would, for instance, like to make a video about the other entries in the Rainhill trials, or about the role of railways in the American Civil War, but my main aim is to create a new series of videos which will expand into other historical topics which fascinate me. My first idea is to create a series about the Titanic, one which will tell a complete chronology of the sinking blow by blow, going over the stories of those on board, but also the technicalities of the sinking. My other great idea is to do a series about the River Thames, one which will follow the course of the river from source to sea and tell the history of everything it passes by, the great bridges built across it, the famous people who lived alongside it, the traditions surrounding it, and the famous events which took place on its banks. What do you think of these ideas? What would you like to see this channel cover? Let me know in the comments below and stay subscribed for more news. Bye for now.